Hello students, in this video we will start our exercise 2.6. Its question is solve the following equations. First one is 8x minus 3 whole will divided by 3x is equal to 2. So when we start solving it, so firstly we will go through the question. Here in the denominator of 8x minus 3, 3x is it here in the division. So it will go opposite side. How? Division of opposite is multiplication. So in the opposite side it will go in the multiplication. Now the remaining term comes as it is. How? 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3x. Now 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 and x as it is. Now 8x and 6x will come together and this negative 3 will go opposite side, but how? As a positive. तो ये आ गया यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव में. 6x अपोजिट जाएगा तो कैसे जाएगा? माइनस में, बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी हेयर इन द एडिशन. सो अपोजिट ऑफ एडिशन इज सब्ट्रैक्शन, लाइक इन दिस फॉर्म. ओके, now 8x minus 6x is 2x is equal to 3. Now this multiplicative of 2 is go to opposite side in division. So x value is 3 by 2. This is the answer of first one. Second one, 9x will divided by 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. So 7 minus 6x is it here in the division. So it will go opposite side in the multiplication, like 15 multiplied by 7 minus 6x, and the 9x will remain here as it is. This is the first term, first equation. After this 9x as it is. 15 into 7. 15 into 7 is 105 minus 15 into 6 is 90x. Now we will combine the x term. Already in the LHS side we have 9x. It will call opposite side x term. So negative 90x will come here in the positive 90x, and 105 will remain here same. Now 9 plus 90 is 99x, and 105 will remain here as it is. Okay, this multiplicative of 99 will go opposite side in the division. How? Like in this form. Okay, when we reduce it by the table it of 3, so 10 तो नहीं आता, 10 से कम 9 आता है. कितने टाइम्स में? 3 टाइम्स में. कितना नहीं लिया था? 1 नहीं लिया, तो 1 उठ के किसके पास गया? 5 के पास में, और बना क्या? 15. सो इन द टेबल ऑफ 3 15 कम्स 5 टाइम and 99 will come 33 times. So x value, what will the x value will come? 35 by 33. This is the solution of second one. Third one, z divided by z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 9. So here we have z plus 15, is it here in the division? So it will go opposite side in the multiplication, like z plus 15. Okay, now in the right hand side we have 9 in the division, so it will go opposite side in the multiplication. So it will come here as it is. अब क्या क्या छोड़कर आए हैं? ऊपर का z और ऊपर का ऑलरेडी क्या था? एक 4, वो छोड़कर आए थे. सो दैट वी आर राइटिंग एज इट इज. सो 9z is equal to 4 into z is 4z plus 4 into 15 is 60. Now we will combine the z term together. So 9z positive will change into minus. So 9z is equal to 60 as it is. Okay, 9 minus 4 is 5z is equal to 60. Now this 5 is it here in the multiplicative, so it will go opposite side in the division. So 60 will divided by 5 and its answer, the z value will come is equal to 12. This is our answer of third one. Question number 4, same as it is like 3. Here 3y plus 4 will divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. So division term will go opposite side in the multiplication. How? This 5 will go opposite side in the multiplication here, and this 2 minus 6y will go opposite side in the multiplication, and the remaining term will come as it is. Already here 3y plus 4, and already here we have minus 2. Okay, so 3 5s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, but कैसा minus, because minus plus is minus. Then 2 into 6 is 12 and y as it is, but कैसा minus and minus together will come as a positive. Now we will combine the y term together. So 15y is will call the 12y, but it will come here in the negative. Here already we have minus 4, so after this minus 4 will call 20, but कैसे आएगा वो पॉजिटिव का चेंज होगा माइनस में. Now 15 minus 12 is 3y is equal to minus minus plus 24, but according to bigger number its symbol will come minus. So this 3 will divide minus 24, minus 24 will divided by 3. Now the y value will come minus 8. This is the answer of fourth one. Question number 5th, 7y plus 4 will divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 will divided by 3. Same as it is previous, 3 will go in the multiplication of opposite side. So 3 multiply by 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 will multiply by y plus 2. Same as it is like previous, 3 7s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12. 4 into y is 4y, but minus 4 into 2 is 8, but कैसा minus plus is minus. Now we have to combine the positive y term together. So 21y will call the y term, so it will come positive 4y minus 8. 12 will go opposite side in the subtraction, so it will go minus 12. Now 21 plus 4 is 25y is equal to minus minus plus. So 8 and 12 will become as a 20, so it will come minus 20. There 25 will go opposite side in the division, so minus 20 will divided by 25. So y value will come minus 4 by 5. This is the solution of fifth one. Question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. They did not given us the present age or after future age of after 4 years. Only they given us the ratio of the present age, and after the 4 years how their ages will change, its ratio is also, only the ratio is given. So they said we have to find the present age of Harry and Harry. So the present age ratio is 5:7. So according to this, let the present age of Harry की present age 5 है, तो उसका कितना पार्ट हो जाएगी 5x years. सेम एज इट इज़ फॉर द हैरी के लिए क्या हो जाएगा 7 into x 7x. अच्छा, आप कितने साल बाद बोल रहे थे 4 years from now. सो सेम एज इट इज़ आफ्टर 4 years देयर एजेस, 4 years के बाद क्या हो जाएगी 5x plus 4 बोला है तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे +4 years ऑफ हैरी. 5x plus 4 किसकी हो जाएगी हैरी की. वैसे ही 7x plus 4 years किसकी हो जाएगी हैरी की. दोनों की एजेस में क्या क्या ऐड कर दिया 4 कर दिया ऐड. अच्छा, ऐसा हुआ तो अब रेशियो क्या बन जाएगा दोनों की एजेस का. अब दोनों की एजेस का रेशियो बन जाएगा 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन ये बोल रहा है कि ये 5x + 4 7x + 4 नहीं होगा, वो क्या बोल रहा है, ये क्या होगा 3/4। सो हम हमारी वाली कंडीशन को और क्वेश्चन की कंडीशन को दोनों को क्या रख देते हैं, एक दूसरे के इक्वल। तो ये आया 5x + 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 7x + 4 होल इज इक्वल टू 3/4। नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व देम। So when we go for the solving them, it will come like 4 will multiply opposite side. So 4 into 5x + 4 is equal to 3 into 7x + 4. So 4 5s are 20 plus as it is 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 12. 3 4s are 12. Now 21x will go opposite side in the subtraction and this 16 will come opposite side in the subtraction. So plus minus is minus, but 21 is a bigger number, so its symbol will come same as it is. Plus minus is minus, 16 minus 12 is 4, but minus is at the bigger plus, so its symbol will come. So x value is 4. So we have to find the present age of Harry and Hari. So for the Hari, his present age 5x, so on the place of x we will put 4, so 5 4s are 20 years of Harry. Same as it is for Harry, 7 into x, so 7 will multiply by 4, 7 4s are 28 years for the Harry. So here is the solution of 6th one. Now for the 7th, the denominator of rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. एक रैशनल नंबर है, उसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर से कितना बड़ा है, 8 बड़ा है। इफ़ द न्यूमरेटर इज इंक्रीज्ड बाय 17, न्यूमरेटर को ऊपर वाली प्लेस को किससे इंक्रीज करना है, 17 से, एंड द डिनोमिनेटर इज डिक्रीज्ड बाय 1, और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या करना है, 1 को डिक्रीज करना है। द नंबर ऑब्टेन इज 3/2, नंबर हमें क्या मिलेगा, 3/2। फाइंड द रैशनल नंबर, तब हमें क्या करना है, रैशनल नंबर को फाइंड करना है। तो चलो स्टार्टिंग करते हैं, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग हमेशा कहाँ से होगी, जहाँ से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हुआ था। फॉर दैट द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर। अच्छा, तो सबका सारी डिनोमिनेटर किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, न्यूमरेटर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या सपोज करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर, लाइक लेट न्यूमरेटर बी एक्स, न्यूमरेटर को क्या सपोज कर लिया, एक्स। अगर न्यूमरेटर को अब एक्स सपोज करा तो डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर से कितना ज़्यादा है, 8 ज़्यादा है, तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या बन जाएगा, x + 8। अच्छा, ऐसी कंडीशन हुई तब हमारा रैशनल नंबर क्या हो जाएगा, x/x + 8। अब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन चलते हैं। क्वेश्चन बोल रहा था कि न्यूमरेटर में से आपको कितना इंक्रीज करना है, 17 इंक्रीज करना है, और डिनोमिनेटर में 1 डिक्रीज करना है। कर दिया, x + 17 ऊपर करा और x + 8 - 1 कहाँ करा, डिनोमिनेटर में। वो बोल रहा है ऐसा करने पर आपको क्या आंसर मिलता है, 3/2। जो आंसर मिलता है उसको उसके इक्वल में रख दिया। ओके, सो x + 17 डिवाइडेड बाय 8 - 1 is 7 इज इक्वल टू 3/2। यहाँ से 2 ऊपर जाएगा और यहाँ से LHS साइड में से x + 7 कहाँ जाएगा, अपोजिट साइड ऊपर इन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन। सो 2 into x is 2x प्लस 2 into 17 is 34 इज इक्वल टू 3 into x is 3x प्लस 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, now this 3x will go opposite side in the subtraction, and this 34 will come opposite side in the subtraction, like in this form. Okay, 2x minus 3x, its answer is -x is equal to 21 minus 34, its answer is -13. Minus to minus cut, so x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 13. So this x value we will put into the numerator and the denominator. So numerator will come 13 and denominator will come 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. अच्छा, अगर 13 and 21 numerator and denominator है respectively, then the rational number will come 13/21. This is the answer of 7th one. Here we completed our exercise 2.6 and also the chapter 2. I hope you enjoyed it, and if any query is there, any doubt is there, you can ask in comment section, and my student can ask me directly on the group. Thank you and have a nice day.